Just in time for back to school, co-founder of Flavor Temptations and Wisconsin Economic Development, WEDC Ambassador Sarah Parthasarathy is here to share how her small business is introducing big flavor to school menus and 3 simple steps to cooking authentic Indian dishes at home. Hello, Sarah. Welcome to the Tech Show.
Thank you for having me.
What was the inspiration behind starting your own recipe kits?
The secret of Indian cooking is layering spices to create the right flavor profile. When my son grew up and was wanting to understand how exactly to do that, I decided to put together spice kits which contain the exact number of spices and in the right quantity. So I created these small kits for him so that he could cook authentic Indian food from home, and that is how all these little different flavors came about to cook Indian food from scratch. So these are spice kits similar to meal kits.
Why did you choose Wisconsin to launch your business, and how is Flavor Temptations helping to change the school's food scene?
Yeah, so I started this business in Wisconsin because I found that Madison actually is a really great resource for helping small food businesses like ours. And Madison, the demographic is like a microcosm of the larger country where a lot of foodies reside. So when I started this, and a lot of school districts who discovered us, they wanted to actually explore new Indian and ethnic cuisine. So that seems to be the new trend within school districts, trying to explore new foods so that they can provide it to their customers, which are their students. They want authenticity, they want low sodium, they want no sugars, no salts and additives, preservatives. Our spice kits, which are created in a larger spice kit fashion, just the same way as I did the smaller ones, and are ready to cook curry sauce, actually helps them create authentic food from scratch. So today, more than 30 school districts are using our spice kits and products, and tens of thousands of students are actually eating fabulous, deliciously, freshly cooked Indian food for lunch.
Where can we go for more information?
You can go to www.flavortemptations.com. That is where you will find these customer spice kits and these sauces. And food service teams can contact us through that, and we will happily send them out free samples for them to try out with their students.
Thanks, Sarah. That looks like a delicious way to start the school year.
Thank you so much.